There you go. That's a long one, wasn't it? Okay, we're gonna let them rest now. Next song we're gonna play is Armed Forces on Parade. If you have served in any of the branches, if you recognize your song, please, if you're able, stand and be ready. If you happen to be a spouse of someone who served, or brother or sister, and if your family has served in several branches, you're going to be standing up long. And band, if you would like, if you serve, you can stand up there in the playing of your song. That'll be perfectly fine. Okay? Please do so. Armed Forces on Parade. Department of Homeland Security, United States Coast Guard. actual vets of those services? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. We've got a little something to give you. And while it's being passed out, keep those hands up. We don't know who to give them to. Put them down, make you bring you to attention, make you stand there. Give you a half right face. I want to thank each and every one of you vets. Some of you had no choice but went in, unless you snuck in just before they drew your number. Others, you may have been lucky enough to have the decision to make it on your own. Anyway, this nation was built on veterans. It was built on all the people who served, and that includes doctors, nurses, first responders, law enforcement. Every single one of those people. Today is not just a day about celebrating our country and celebrating the vets that have basically signed a blank check offering their life for the freedoms we love every day. Okay, do we get everybody? Oh, Courtney, you don't get one. I told him. You're Navy, sorry.
Go Navy, beat Army.
Besides Gordon, did we get everybody else? The person giving out what we're giving out are the little coins, challenge coins. Thank you, vets. And he got one.
Of course, my wife waits to give it to me last.
And the lady giving them out, of course, is Gordon's Walk. Thank you, Jen. Okay. I'm going to grab a cheat sheet because I'm not so certain to remember stuff. Yeah, I got the directions. Before we do the next cue, Larry, come up here. Larry Williams. Come up here. This church allows us to come in on Thursday nights and use the facility to rehearse in and also do concerts in. So we'd like to present with you a little gift. This is to the church, and we hope you can put it to good use. We didn't sign a card.
It's a check for $400. We did not sign it.
No, we didn't sign the card. We didn't sign the check either.
Larry, don't believe me, the check is signed.
On behalf of the church, we certainly appreciate it. And of course, it's our pleasure to have you here. And we enjoy it and it's a community effort. So thanks again and thanks for the donation.
Thank you, the audience, because without you, all we do is come in here on Thursday nights, and then when we say we're going to have a concert, we just sort of play through something and nobody's here. So thank you for showing up tonight. If you would like to come and hear the same concert, we're doing it next week at Grace Baptist Church down the south side of Winston.
We'll do it better, though, because we're practicing now.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance, but I gave them the forethought. So they're actually coming in here with a week of cold and forgot how to play. I saw some of them looking at the fingering charts, figuring out notes. Anyway, Tom's going to come back. He's back. I'm talking this time, so you don't have to worry about it. And for years, I have thought about doing something, so bear with me. My throat's getting very dry. We're going to play for you right now. And parts of this, if you want to sing along, please feel free to do so. God bless the USA. Leave freely. And I got my cheat sheet. Yes. Nice little rabbit. we were stationed in Europe at the end of the First Gulf War. I was active duty, had the whole family over there. And after the troops came home, the stink for Europe decided he's going to do a big July 4th party. And Lee Greenwood's going to sing it. That was the one time he found out he didn't have as much power as he thought. So one of the people from the chorus sang, God Bless the USA. But that was one time I was in the Army band. That concert started at 7 in the afternoon and ended at 11:15. It was a long time. And one of the tunes, I don't know why, but one of the tunes that I know, at least in the Army, that we do, and the only thing I can figure is because the Army has howitzers, different types of artillery, is they always play at the end of the July 4th concerts the 1812 Overture, which was written to commemorate Russia's victory over France. I don't know the sub meanings of that right there. Maybe it was something to do with France. Anyway, what we're going to do now is we're going to play the 1812. I'm going to have our special fireworks people.
Cannons!
Cannons. I was going to bring caution tape, but I figured if I blocked off the area, everyone would get scared. So, do not worry. Hopefully these will not put your eye out. We did this thinking about Ralphie and eating it. So anyway, we're going to play for you right now. Peter Tchaikovsky's The 1812 Overture. With fireworks and cannon. It's nothing better than doing something to celebrate America that blew up apart. Okay, we've done just about everything I think we possibly do for we've done, all the way from popular songs, all the way, I mean, who do you think is powerful? We signed through this as opposed to Mentos and Coca-Cola for the soda machine. That would really be fun here. And there's one thing we haven't done. Every time I was in the military 31 and a half years playing band, and every single concert, regardless how long it was, we always ended it with a playing of our national march. John Philip Sousa's Stars and Stripes Forever. Again, thank you all for coming out tonight. Thank you for the donation. I hope you had a good time with me. John Philip Sousa's Stars and Stripes Forever. second Thursday of August, which is
August 8th.
August 8th. If you missed the first Swing Band concert, come out and check this out. The band is pretty doggone good. Again, like I said, if you want to hear the same concert next week, it'll be at Grace Baptist Church, 7 o'clock. Same music, no fireworks. We can clean this place up a whole lot easier than again there's no fireworks. Thank you all so much. Be careful in your drives home. God bless each and every single one of you, and God bless America. Thank you.